Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, quick question for you, do you remember those legendary old school Nokia phones? You know, the ones where if you dropped them, the floor cracked, not the phone. Yeah, that Nokia. Now, imagine this, that same unstoppable Nokia is back, and they're about to drop the most powerful smartphone on the planet. Does that even sound real? I barely believed it myself, but trust me, it's happening. Because today, we're diving deep into a phone that doesn't just sound insane on paper. When you actually break down the specs, this thing will absolutely blow your mind. Just picture this, a smartphone with a camera so ridiculously powerful it humiliates professional DSLRs. We're talking about a massive 264 megapixels. Yeah, you heard that number right. Does that mean your old mirrorless camera just became an expensive paperweight? Honestly, probably, yeah. It sounds like a fantasy, right? But it's the real deal, because we are talking about Nokia's upcoming absolute beast of a flagship killer, the Nokia Aero Max 5G. And here's the craziest part, all of this insane tech is dropping in the mid-budget segment. Yes, guys, you heard me correctly. So, if you want to know every single juicy detail about this most awaited powerhouse, do not even think about clicking off this video. Stick with me until the very end, because we're spilling everything: the leaked features, the premium design, the monster camera, the battery life, the processor, and most importantly, the price and the launch date. Everything you need to know, right here, right now. So let's get this show on the road. Design and display. First up, let's talk about the build and the design. Guys, Nokia has always been the undisputed king of rock-solid build quality and trustworthy hardware. But with the Nokia Aero Max 5G, the company has taken a massive leap forward that puts it in a league of its own. According to leaked reports, this smartphone is boasting a premium titanium frame. This is the kind of material you usually only see on ultra-expensive luxury flagship phones that cost a fortune. That's exactly why, despite being impossibly slim, this phone is going to be ridiculously strong, super lightweight, and extremely durable. And when I say slim, I mean crazy slim. The thickness is expected to be just 6.8 millimeters. That means in your hand, it's going to feel like holding a sleek, flat card, but if it slips, it's built to survive, no sweat. Now, with a profile that thin, we absolutely cannot ignore the display. The Nokia Aero Max 5G is packing a massive 6.9-inch Super AMOLED LTPO display with a stunning 2K plus resolution, that's 1440 x 3200 pixels. What does that mean for you? It means the moment you turn this phone on, the colors, the contrast, the sharpness, it's going to feel less like a screen and more like looking at a high-definition masterpiece painting. And for my gamers and heavy scrollers out there, it comes with a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're doom scrolling through Instagram Reels or sweating it out in a high-graphics battle royale game, everything is going to run so fluid and fast, lag simply doesn't exist in this phone's vocabulary. Protecting that gorgeous screen is the toughest Gorilla Glass 7, shielding your display from nasty drops and scratches. So, when it comes to design and display, the Nokia Aero Max 5G holds absolutely nothing back. Camera setup. Alright, guys, now it's time for the feature that is going to steal the hearts of every single mobile photography lover on the planet. The camera. Guys, the Nokia Aero Max 5G is coming in hot with the world's first 264 megapixel DSLR level primary camera. Yes, you heard that number again, 264 megapixels. This means you can zoom into a photo so deep that the tiniest microscopic details you'd normally never spot will look absolutely crystal clear. Imagine capturing a bird sitting on the peak of a distant mountain so close and sharp, it looks like it was posing right in front of you. Crazy, right? But this isn't just a one-trick pony. It's a full quad camera setup. Let's break down these sensors one by one. First, the absolute beast, the 264 megapixel DSLR level camera. It captures photos in such high definition, you'll see every leaf on a tree, every strand of hair, and every tiny texture like never before. Next up is the 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. This lets you capture an entire sweeping landscape, massive skyscrapers, or your whole squad in one epic, distortion-free shot. Third, we have a 48 megapixel telephoto lens. This thing works magic with optical zoom, meaning distant objects come close and crisp with zero pixelation. And fourth, an 8 megapixel depth sensor. This makes your portrait shots look impossibly professional, creating that creamy, natural background blur that looks like studio lighting magic. And for the selfie lovers, a massive update. You get a 50-megapixel front camera. This isn't just for selfies, it's absolutely perfect for video calls, vlogging, and shooting high-quality reels. So, if mobile photography is your passion, this phone is literally a dream come true. Processor and performance. Now, I know what you're thinking. A killer camera and a razor-sharp display are cool, but is the engine under the hood powerful enough to handle all this madness? Can it really perform? Guys, the answer is a thunderous yes. The Nokia Aero Max 5G will be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, which is hands down one of the most insanely powerful processors on the market right now. This is the very same chipset that powers the most expensive, top-tier flagship phones in the world. So, whether you're playing PUBG, Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone Mobile, or Genshin Impact on max settings, this phone will absolutely not hang or lag. Whether you're editing 4K video on the go or you've got 20 to 25 apps running in the background, everything stays smooth and snappy. Talking about the operating system, you're getting Android 17, which is Google's newest and most advanced OS. And with it comes that classic, clean, bloatware-free Nokia experience that old-school fans absolutely love. Battery and charging. Now you're probably asking, if the phone is that insanely thin, how awful is the battery life? Are we gonna need to carry a charger everywhere like a survival kit? Well, guys, this is where Nokia just pulls off a miracle. Inside that super slim body, this phone packs a monstrous 8000 mAh battery. Yeah, you heard that right, 8000 mAh. And it's paired with 100-watt fast charging. This means you can literally juice this phone from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Can you even imagine a slim phone hiding a battery this big and charging speeds this insane? It absolutely feels like magic. So, in the battery department, this phone isn't just surviving, it's dominating. Price and launch date. Now, let's get to the most crucial questions. When is it coming, and how much is it gonna cost? Guys, as of now, the company hasn't officially confirmed anything, but based on heavy leaks and insider reports, the Nokia Aero Max 5G base variant could launch with a massive 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. And the price? The buzz suggests it could launch between $899 and $1,199. Now, you be the judge. For these killer features, a massive battery, a DSLR shaming camera, and a true flagship processor, that price point is incredibly competitive and tempting. As for the launch date, while there's no official confirmation yet, the rumor mill is buzzing that Nokia might drop this beast either near the end of this year or early next year. The moment we get any solid update, we will blast it out in a video for you guys right here. So, guys, that was the complete breakdown of the absolute powerhouse, the Nokia Aero Max 5G. Now you tell me, did this phone impress you? Are you actually hyped to get your hands on this legend? Drop a comment below and let me know.